Welcome to astronomy class. Pluto and the planets. Hello, students. It's me, Pluto. Today, I'm going to show you all the planets. Hello, Pluto. Are you a planet? That's quite a story. Let's first visit the solar system, shall we? Meet Mercury, the smallest planet. Mercury takes 88 Earth days to have a year.
I have a question to raise. Shouldn't years take longer than days? Well, that's not always the case. Planets move in two ways. First, on its own axis like a dancer on a pirouette.
Around the Sun on a path called the orbit. I turn slowly on my axis so my days are longer. Next is Venus, named for the Roman goddess of love. While all other planets spin its axis counterclockwise. This makes the planet upside down. Planet number 3 is our very own. It is Earth, the one we call home.
70% of its surface is water. Mars, the fourth planet, also fondly called red. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are not just neighbors by the nearest star, but also compact balls of rocks and metals. They are planets called rocky or terrestrial. Where are we off to next, Pluto? To the bigger planets we go. The one with rings and another with a big spot. That's correct, my little astronaut. Watch out for the rocky objects floating. They are ancient debris when the planets are forming. We are in the asteroid belt, you see. Meet Jupiter. Hydrogen and helium make up its atmosphere. My neighbor and I, to the naked eye, are both visible from Earth's sky. I have 4 sets of rings that are wispy for my pal Saturn. Guess how many? I have 7 wider rings, all bright and icy, first seen by Galileo Galilei. Prettiest of all planets, that's me. 82 moons keep me company. Nice to meet you both. Hey, is it getting very cold? Yes, because we're now near the coldest planet out here. My name is Uranus and I am blue-green, caused by sunlight and methane. Uranus, are you okay? Why are you moving sideways? I move almost 90 degrees on my side. This is how I rotate, and I'm all right. We've come so far. Are we approaching another star? I'm afraid not, my friend. But hey, here's our final planet. Here is Neptune, and it has 14 moons. I'm a bit rocky and mostly blue and icy. My 6 rings are very hard to see. That's because I'm the farthest planet. I'm away from the sun by 30 astronomical units. Say, Pluto, aren't you farther away? 39 astronomical units, they say. Bye-bye, hope you enjoy with me, and remember all the things which you learn from me. Use these resources in your